Is that good?
Bring it, take a step towards me. There we go. Let me get the bottom. All right, you're straight.
Great. Regina, I'd like you to work with Sabrina. Priscilla, can you and Talia and Jim work in a pair of three, or a group of three, I guess. Priscilla, can you pass these out for me?
Sure.
We're going to be working in our groups, working on this worksheet. It's all the stuff that we just learned, so you should be able to get it done really quickly. I'm going to walk around with a bag of numbers. Each of you is going to get a number, and that's the problem that you're going to put up on the board as soon as you finish the worksheet. Do you have any questions about this activity for now?
No.
All right, if you have any questions about a problem on the worksheet, ask your group before you raise your hand and ask me. Sometimes you'll be able to explain it better to each other than I can explain it to you. Do you have a number? You only have 2 minutes to do this, so make sure that you get working as soon as possible.
Thanks.
I was trying to this one. I was like, I don't know.
And you should be working together, so it's okay if you talk. It doesn't have to be silent in here.
Which one do
I have number 2. What do you guys have?
I have number one.
Number one. Oh, you're on the spot.
I know.
Johnny on the spot over here.
It's okay though. Totally know the answer. Yeah, totally.
Can we bring our sheets up to the board?
Absolutely.
You can just come out when we're done.
Yes, as soon as you finish your worksheet, go ahead and head up to the board, write them up. There's only 2 pens though, so if you want to write in blood, I don't suggest it, but.
Terrible. So much fun.
Pass your marker off, please. And as soon as you go back to your desk, make sure you write down the homework if you didn't already. Did any A+ students write down the homework already?
Yeah.
Awesome. Talia, high five.
Wow, that was,
I'm sorry.
no, no, it's all right.
I didn't get that mixed
Student
up.
abuse. If you know the answer to the bonus and you want to hand it in after class, feel free to. I can give you an extra homework point. And as we finish up here, I want whoever's sitting down to look around at the answers. Think about how you did, if you agree with all the answers, if you maybe disagree with some of them, and what you think. Jim, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to look at the answers and let me know if you agree with them all, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I like what I see.
All right. Here's what I want you to do. We all done looking at everybody's answers? If you agree with all the answers up on the board, put both of your hands up in the air. If you don't agree, just leave your hand down. Everybody agrees with everything?
Yep. Yes.
Priscilla, you sure?
I'm positive.
You're positive. It's real confident. Regina, you sure too?
Yes.
All right, awesome. All right, let me think. All right, so I want you to do these homework problems. I also want you, in addition to this, to think about the general equation. This is the general equation for a vertical translation. That's shifting a graph up or down. There's another type of translation, and I want you to think about what it is, how that translation moves a graph, and what the general equation might be. I don't want you to use your textbook, but you can play around with your calculators. Okay? And as we're wrapping up, Sabrina, can you tell me one thing that you learned in class today?
I'm so sorry.
Yes, Crystal.
I learned about what is a translation, and a translation is shifting the graph.
Alright. And Talia, can you give me one thing that you learned today?
I learned that if the graph is x plus 1, you move it up 1 unit.
Awesome. Alright, anything else that we learned today? I'm gonna put this out to everyone. Jim, what did you learn?
The general equation of a vertical translation is that g of x equals f of x plus c.
Awesome, awesome, very good. Star that one, very important that we learned today. Do you have any questions about anything we went over today? Any questions about the homework?
No.
Alright, awesome. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.